Hello, today will a small lesson for Cinema4D. I will try to show you how can make fabric. We need to spawn a default object for demonstration. And now we need to create a plane for the soft body. Change segments for realistic results. Next, we need to find the simulation text and in text click on soft body. Now we need to go into simulation and click on clove surface. Drag our plane to clove surface. Create substance surface for soft angles. Now let's make our sphere as support for the fabric. Now you need to change the settings because this result is not good. Click to soft body tag and change flexion parameter to 1. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you soon.